Hey guys, welcome back to Smoking Meats. Happy New Year! And today, this video is brought to you by SmokerBuilder.com, and that's because I smoked about a 17-pound brisket on my brand new Super 55 drum smoker. And if you're interested in getting a drum smoker for all your barbecue adventures, I definitely recommend you checking out SmokerBuilder.com. Frank Cox over there is an incredible resource, and his products are absolutely fantastic. I had a blast building that smoker, and I've had a blast cooking on that smoker. It's completely different than anything else I own, and for that reason, I definitely recommend it. So I took a 17-pound brisket, I smoked it in the drum smoker, and then I decided, because it was New Year's Eve and it wasn't going to be ready for anybody to eat it, I decided to say the hell with it. I'm going to put it in the warming oven. Now, I don't own a warming oven. I own a Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800, and for those of you that know my channel know that I absolutely love that thing as well, and I have a Fireboard Pro 2 drive on it. And that system can run the Masterbuilt Gravity Series really, really low temperatures. I'm talking, you could run it at 100 degrees to do cold smoke, and it will be consistent as heck. Or you can run it at 145, just like a warming oven, fill the hopper full of charcoal, lump charcoal, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You just need a heat source. And that's exactly what I did. So my brisket has been in there since 11 p.m. And I will show you guys on screen now the chart that it shows where it went off. Now, about 6:45 this morning, I did run down on charcoal, and so the temperature did dip to about 130 or 129. And I ran back out there because I woke up on time, thankfully, poured more charcoal in there, and let it go. Now, I will say I didn't do a full hopper overnight. As those of you know, you can definitely get more than a full hopper or more than enough time on a full hopper at 145. So anyway, we're going to see if the brisket I smoked on my drum smoker, wrapped in foil and hot hold at 145 in my Masterbuilt, is as good or better than any other brisket I've done to date. So without further ado, let's go get that brisket. All right, guys, so the moment of truth, 12 hours later. I'm going to throw some gloves on. And we're going to temp probe this because I just brought it in. I just turned the cameras back on. And here is my ThermoPen 1. Meat is sitting at 170s, so it's still pretty hot. I did let it chill out on the counter for about 30-40 minutes last night. It probably could have went longer. I did pull it off when it was about 203. I just did probe tender. It was roughly in that range. So anyway, let's get cracking into this. I did just do a pretty hefty tinfoil wrap. This thing feels great already. Dogs are over here now. Looking pretty good. Put this on the board here. Oh yeah, that's feeling really nice. Hot still. Whew. All right. So, moment of truth. So far, this is the fat cap side. I do cook these on the drum, fat cap down, but then I rotate every 2 hours or so throughout the cook. A little bit of the rub fell off here, but that came off when I touched it last night, actually. But the bark last night was, I would say, very hard and almost like crisp, and now it's looking really good all along it. So you can see that jiggle there is really nice. It really settled down. The flat doesn't feel burnt, but it feels a little hard at the tip here, but it's kind of expected. So go ahead and grab my Dallas Strong brisket knife. I'll put a link in the description. I think it's sweet. And go ahead and crack it off right here in the middle. Oh my. Yeah, that's tender. All right. First, I'll turn it to the front camera. Not bad. And then the side camera here. Man, that's legit. Probably one of my best briskets to date. I'm going to get up and just make sure this camera is grabbing it. Yeah. For those of you that are seeing the side camera here, I'll jump to that. Ooh, man. I'm pretty proud of that. It's probably one of my best briskets to date. And I'm not just saying that because I'm on camera. That's looking really damn good, guys. So, we'll go ahead and take a slice out of the flat here, kind of towards the end. I know that the edges here are going to be a little burnt up, but really nice. Even a good smoke ring. That flat's looking good. Go ahead and set that aside. Let's just get a nice center cut flat piece here. I'd say that's got the the bend of a champion there. Oh man, pulls apart. Wow. Taste. That's pretty fucking good. That's pretty good. I did use a rub. I did use some, I just did Meat Church Holy Cow. I did a little bit of two Chupacabras, or two Gringos Brisket Magic. But, man, the bark, the fat is nice and rendered out. I'm not a flat guy. That's damn good. Wow. All right, definitely my best one on the drum today. I've done about three or four. Do another slice of this flat here for you guys. Oh, it's falling apart. Falling apart. I can't even get it to flex, so that might be a little too far, but that's okay. We're not trying to compete with this guy. But yeah, that's a little on the drier side, but it's not burnt. It's just falling apart. It's pretty damn good. The flavor is amazing. If you've never had barbecue off of a drum, you get this like crazy good charcoal flavor, and you get this really good kind of burnt fat flavor, and there's really nothing like it because it's dropping all the drippings down on the drum, hitting the charcoal or hitting the hot plate, and then smoking back up, so you get this unique flavor. I really do like it. So again, just showing you the back side of that cut there on that flat. Really good. Really, really good. Alright, let's go into the stuff that I like the best. Let's go ahead and get some of that point. Oh yeah. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, look at that. That's gonna be good. Let's go ahead and get a little burnt end. No dog. Burn end right there. I don't think there's a better way to do it, guys. That's, wow. I mean, just look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's so good. This is like really honestly the first brisket that I'm like really, truly happy with in all accounts. And I've done quite a few over the last year. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get up and show this camera close up. Hold on. Can I do that? Yeah. Guys, look at that. That's good. That's good. Very happy with that piece. Pulling, boom. I mean, holy. It doesn't get any better than that. If you serve that, and if I had served this on New Year's Eve, I would have been a king, but it's okay. Got it for the rest of the year now. I can vacuum seal some of this up, save it for another day. Won't be able to eat it all today, obviously, but I mean, just look at this. This hot hold is like supreme. This is how you need to do it, guys. I feel like I can start a barbecue restaurant now. Look at that. So, yeah, wow. Try another piece. Jeez. It's the best. That's so good. Alright guys, well, that probably proves 2 points. One, the drum smoker rules. Two, the hot long hold, the 145 degree hold is key. So again, if you've got a Fireboard Pro in your Masterbuilt, if you don't, check out my video of the install. I 1,000,000,000% think you should do it, because it's not only turned my Masterbuilt Gravity Series 800 into like an absolute monster, it allows you to do stuff like this. So, you know, warmer, you can do cold smokes with it. It really does an amazing job of holding that low temperature. You just can't do on the standard Masterbuilt board. I mean, you just can't do it. It doesn't exist. So definitely check out that out. I'll put links to the Fireboard site. I don't get affiliate money from them or anything like that, but I'll definitely do that. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Happy New Year. Get out there and smoke some meat, and hopefully your next brisket turns out as good as mine, because this is the way I wanted to start off 2024, and I definitely achieved that goal. So take it easy, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have fun smoking.